right, guys, one vehicle that I constantly end up racing at the drag strip is Camaros. There's a lot of Camaros out there, a lot of mods being done to Camaros, and they are really, really fast. One thing that I've noticed is that a lot of Camaro owners talk about the horsepower that the car puts out on the dyno. Well, you know as well as I do that dynos don't win races. Actually, I found that what's winning the race is what's between the steering wheel and the driver's seat is the person. When Chevy brought out the ZL1, I believe a lot of people thought that that was going to be the new Hellcat killer as well as the Demon killer. Well, I hate to tell you wrong, guys. Some of the YouTubers have put out videos showing the ZL1 beating up on the Demons. Well, I don't find it true. I know you guys are going to say, well, it's different with a road race, but telling you, I road raced the Demon, and the Demon is very capable. Anyway, guys, let's get on with it. You know what I'm doing, snatching souls. Peace. So this Demonology, guys, I'm here with Jerry.
Pulley, upper and lower pulley. We got a cam stage 3, BTR stage 3 cam, E85, booster pump, ID 1050X injectors.
Me and my brother here, we're gonna run it again. Hey, I red lighted on him. You know, I was so used to that pro tree. It's throwing me off on the full tree. So I'm gonna get it together though, guys.
All right.
Anyway, we're gonna have a good run.
Yes, sir.
Me and Jerry. Hey, Jerry, what's the name of your club?
Game Over Racing.
Oh, hey guys, Game Over Racing. Hey, I'm gonna be doing some stuff with Game Over Racing soon. So you'll get to see me race a lot of the guys from Game Over Racing. All right, guys, you know what I'm doing, snatching souls. Let's see if we can get this. Boy, this is a bad booger here. Demonology is here racing Leah Bridge. Oh, this is not Leah Bridget. This is
Jessica.
Jessica in the ZL1.
I got a tune and some drag radials.
So she has a tune and some drag radials. All right, guys. So, hey, guys, it's Demonology, and I'm here with
Jim Temple.
Jim Temple. All right, Jim. Man, this car is fast. This is the fastest one that I've raced. Headers, Kohler intake.
The black Camaro is really on a pass.
E85.
My goodness, he is putting a gat fest on this man.
And a tune.
And a tune.
And a tune. Do you have a coal intake kit on it?
Yes.
Okay, so he does have the coal intake kit on it. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.